Hello my loves, it's Kasha Plannerista 101. Today we are going to be planning in my wellness planner for the week of August 22nd through the 28th. I am going to be using the whimsical summer sticker book from Live Love Posh. I love these bright florals, so I thought I'm going to use them in my meal planner this week. So I'm going to go ahead and start doing that. I'm going to go ahead and add this lovely corner sticker and then overlap these flowers so it looks like it's a continuous thing. Now I'm going to pop my pages out and we'll continue decorating. If you are joining me for the first time, welcome to my channel. I really hope you will like it here, and if you do, don't forget to subscribe. And if you are coming back to spend more time with me, thank you so much. I appreciate you beyond measure. I can't express what it means to me that you guys are coming back and spending time with me. So here we go. I'm gonna go ahead and do more of these little florals all around my planner like so, and then soon enough we will start meal planning because these planners are fully functional and I decorate them, but it's usually very quick and it's not as involved. So I'm going to pop this back really fast and we're going to go ahead and meal plan. So I'm going to pull my cheat sheet. We'll meal plan this week, and then I'm going to go ahead and decorate the wellness. So usually on Monday, I will have overnight oats. I have time to do those over the weekend, so it's pretty easy. And I usually boil some eggs for the week as well. So then whether it's a salad or whatever, it's kind of easy to add those. I like having those on the go. They're pretty healthy. So, and then I usually will have leftovers for lunch. We'll have tacos on Monday. Maybe lime chicken tacos because I like those a lot. Sorry, my hair is right there. I've been losing hair, you guys. I don't know what's going on. Okay, so rice bowl. I like making those a lot. Leftovers again. And again, that's usually how I roll. And then curry chicken, which I love making curry chicken anything. I don't know what it is about that spice. So on Thursday, I'll have a smoothie and then leftovers for lunch once again. And then salad for lunch on Friday and then Saturday, because I can probably eat out of my garden. On Friday I'm going out with my girlfriends, which is always so much fun. I can't wait to do that. Okay, and then maybe Thursday I can make stuffed peppers and then leave those for Alec for the next day. So let's see. Then smoothie. Usually when I'm home alone, I'll have iced coffee and then a smoothie as breakfast, so pretty good. On Saturday I can do pasta, and on Sunday I can do maybe like wraps with chicken or even lettuce cups. So we'll see. And then Sundays we usually do brunch. We don't do lunch, so we'll do eggs, bacon, pancakes, maybe toast, whichever. So that's meal planned. Here we go. So that week is done. It's gonna be pretty easy to follow. I love my easy recipes. If you guys want to see my recipes, let me know in the comments down below because I do have quite a few of them that I just go to over and over again. Okay, now it's time to wellness plan. And I'm going to be using the Live Love Posh sticker book again. So I'm going to add these really fun like underwater coral reefs or whatever this is. I don't know, but it's beautiful. And all of these really lovely jellyfish. I love the colors. I thought that would be a fun way to end the last summer month. And then, as you guys know, September is already going into fall. So here we go. I'm gonna be adding those. I think that's so much fun to do. And I need a couple more. And maybe I can mix it with these tropical flowers to add some like brighter, warmer colors like orange and whites. There we go. I think that works. Yeah, I really like how that looks. Okay. And then I need a box to cover up intention. So instead of intention, I put a mood and sleep there. And that has been working out so well for me because I actually do track those things. So we have movement, and I also track my meds in my movement section. So there, I made all of these little dots, and then I'll make purple ones for mood and sleep. And I know I'm doing this freehand, it's not perfect, but you know what? My planner doesn't have to be, so there we go. I'm doing this for myself and not for anyone else. If I was doing it for someone, I think I would be a lot more careful about it, but you know what? I really don't mind this look. I think it's very like dainty. Okay, so I'm gonna add that flower and I'm pretty much done. I hope you guys enjoyed that one. If you did, give it a thumbs up. And I hope you guys have a good week, and I'll see you very, very soon for another Plan With Me. Have a great week. Bye!